Good evening, everyone, and welcome back to another version of Cocktails from Home. My name's Mikey, and I'm the bartender in the Edge Steakhouse inside the fantastic Westgate Las Vegas Resort and Casino. I think we know what time it is, so let's have a little cheers. Cheers. It's National Mimosa Day today, so I thought we'd do a little spin on it. We're going to do a Strawberry Mint Mimosa. Let's get to it. I've already chopped up a couple of strawberries and a little bit of mint. We're just going to add that to your cocktail shaker. We're going to use 1 ounce of vodka, 1 ounce of vodka, 1/4 ounce of simple syrup. And we're just going to muddle that all together. Give it a good muddling. You don't have to go too hard on it. Just get those flavors coming out. There we go. Get a little ice in your shaker. Give it a really good shake. Shake that up. And we're simply just going to strain that into your cocktail glass and top it off with champagne. There we go. We got some nice color from that. Now, if you want to keep the cost down, use a simple prosecco or a simple sparkling. At Edge Steakhouse, we like to bump things up a little bit. So we're going to use vodka today. Top it off. There you have it. And there you have it. Strawberry Mint Mimosa. Happy National Mimosa Day. We will all see you very, very soon. Cheers.